driver.
The Wheels on the Bus Part 2. Animal